and mawala-wala ako, then alam ko na. I am a big foodie rin. Binili ako na piniisip ako for so long. Binili ko na siya. Be very mindful when you're in Japan. I always say na work-life integration, di ba? Guys, I'm back in the room. Ay, hindi parang back in the room. Nasa room na ako. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina kasi, syempre, naglalakad ako and hinahanap ko yung way to go here. So, it's around 800-700 meters from Shinjuku Station. Mas malapit tong hotel. I'll give you the room tour naman in a bit. Sa Shinjuku Sanchome Station. But, hindi siya ganun kalayo. So, parang dinakad ko na lang siya. So, hindi ako maka-vlog kasi usually dalawa-dala ko. Diba? Meron ako isang malaking check-in ko plus meron ako hand carry. So, nakaganyan ako. So, hindi ko siya ma-vlog. Pero, I will show you naman the room tour. O, diba? So, guys, this is the Citadines. Dito sa Shinjuku. Put the location down below as well. So, pagpasok mo, this is like a very, very, very big mirror. And then, unahin ko na yung CR kasi nasa left side kaagad to. So, toilet, yung bowl mo, then you have toothbrush is provided naman, towels, and of course, may bidet. Alam niyo naman, Japan. And then, towels are here. And then, you have your bathtub here. Guys, ang kaganda dito is, ang laki ng bathroom na to, as in. And then, ito yung kanilang mga shampoo, conditioner, body wash, undefined. And then, shower head siya dyan. So, yung door niya is ganito lang. Parang glass door lang siya. Pero, frosted naman. Hindi kayo magkakakitaan ng friends nyo. So, walang problema. And then, pagpasok mo, diba, after bathroom, you have your clothes hanger. So, pwede kang rack mo dyan. Pwede mong ihangin damit mo. Meron kang mist. And then, you also have your luggage rack. And then, you also have your mini fridge and slippers. These slippers, in fairness, pwede mo to iuwi. Pero manipis siya, guys. Pero, cute diba? Kakaiba. Mukha siyang masyala. And then, yun lang. Walang anything. Let's see kung ano meron. Nothing in the fridge. Then, this will be your room kaagad. Pagpasok mo. Ang laki na TV niya. Meron kang workstation here. So, may table. You can work. My phone. And then, look at this. I love this pen niya. And ang paper, oh. Alam niyo yun, paminsan kinukuha ko talaga sa hotel kasi mahilig ako magsulat. So, yes. Tissue. And malaki yung room niya because may sofa ka here, oh. Sofa, then you also have a side table, lamp, then you have your bed. I got a queen size bed. Pag dalawa kayo, kasyang-kasya to. This is a big room for Japanese standards. And then here, you have two of the bathrobe, diba? Typical Japanese yan. Nandiyan siya. And then here is your window. I'll show you what I got is the city view. So, ito siya. So, Shinjuku view yan. So, you'll see sa baba may 7-Eleven, tapos maraming mga different mga stores, restaurants. In front, may cafe ka agad. And then, yung mga biggest malls mo nandyan yan, di ba? Yung mga sikat na show yan. Hotel Gracery, nandyan yan. Si Hotel Gracery, yan yung Godzilla. Yan yung, if I'm not mistaken, yan yung Godzilla. Nandyan lang yan, o di ba? So, in fairness, maganda siyang location din. Para nakuha ko to ng parang nasa 8K a night. Parang ganun siya. Not bad. I mean, kasi good location siya. So, yon. And then, what else is there here? I'll give you a... ang tip dito, pag ASR ka guys, like ASR member, pwede ka magpa-late checkout. So, make a member. Magpa-member ka dyan. Free Wi-Fi, then water server or ice machine meron daw on each floor. And then may laundromat or laundry, coin laundry, 7th floor. And then may microwave sa 7th, 13th, and then 14th floor. And guys, ito yun, no, yung washing area niya. So, you have the washing machines here. And I think very affordable yung price, 100 yen. 100 yen for 30 minutes. Dito 400 yen naman, o diba? Sa 7th floor, nandito rin yung microwave. You still have the ice machine, water, and then meron ka dito, vending machine. Guys, may free coffee pa sila here. Ang cute, diba? Tignan mo. Meron pang syrup. Cute, diba? Ayan yung labas ng street na to. Isang landmark mo is may Muji here. And then, ang wide ng street na to. Like, malls, shopping. And then, may Dunkin' Donut dito sa corner na sobrang pinipilahan lagi. Yun yung Citadines na area. So, basta from there ako naglakad eh. from there, dire-diretso doon, papunta dito. Guys, lakarin ko to kasi kailangan ko malaman yung buong area na to and ganun ko siya magigets if linakad ko siya fully mag-isa and mawala-wala ako. Then alam ko na. So guys, nakanap ako ng sushi place I wanna try. Mukhang mataas ratings niya and let's see. Guys, I found a sushi place. Ito na siya. So ito yung itsura niya. And oh my god, it's sobrang near. Yan yung mga Taito, Don Quixote. Ito lang siya. So guys, I finished dinner. I got the sushi kasi nag-crave talaga ako. And then, this is really good As in, maganda yung quality ng sushi niya. And then, hindi pa siya mahal. Nasa 1,330 yung total ko doon. And then, yung 1,330 ko na yan, converted to Philippine peso, sabihin mo nasa 500 plus. I had 7 plates of sushi. Dating dadalawa yun So, busog talaga. And so, di ba lunch, early lunch ako kanina sa plane and then, eto na yon yung first meal ko. So, not bad. As in, I did not post or I did not show you guys na kumakain ako sa loob kasi medyo, siya, yung higit-higit lahat ng tao doon. And talagang hindi man siya tahimik, pero I don't want to be like, nagsasalita habang nagpa-vlog or kitang-kita may camera ako, di ba? Parang hindi lang maganda for me. And respeto na lahat ng tao doon medyo tahimik. So it's very near Shinjuku Station. So if ever nandun kayo, pwede nyo tingnan. And then, ano siya? Mura, not naman mura, but I mean, it's better than eating fast food if ever, di ba? You're in Japan, so kumain ka na ng sushi. Yun yung ano ko. That's my 2 cents lang. Yun lang. So, walking back to the hotel. And may papakita ako sa inyo kasi may binili ako na pinag-isipan ko for so long. Binili ko na siya. So guys, I got a new mic. So, ito yon. This is the DJI mic. Mini. Kasi my sister, sinabi ni Jazz na maganda rin siya. Kasi he's now husband. Husband na pala siya. Nakakaloka. O nga pala. Brother-in-law ko na pala si Miguel. So, sabi na maganda dito kasi parang even kung nag-spike daw yung mic, yung voice mo, kaya niya mag-auto-regulate. Kasi diba sometimes when I do record my videos, if I use, let's say, the other mics ko, naririnig ko yung biglang malakas boses ko, eto kasi rin-regulate niya kahit nag-spike daw yung boses. Eh diba, I do have a tendency to speak very loudly when I shoot my content. So, hopefully, this can help navigate and ayusin siya. And, syempre guys, paminsan-minsan dati naalala ko, lagi yung nagko-comment na medyo hindi maganda yung voice sa videos ko kasi nga parang baka pangit yung acoustic ng room. So, this will help. And I wanna share this with you guys lang because natuwala ako na nakabili ako ng mic na ganito. And I think, alam niyo naman na very DJI ako, big DJI Osmo ginamit ko. Action 5 yung mga camera ko rin as well. So, mahilig talaga ako gumamit. And ito kasi ang liit daw. So, sadly, walang discount, extra discount pag DJI. Pero may tax refund pa naman tayo nakuha doon. Yun lang. Na guys, gosh, alam niyo ba, sobrang pagod kasi for the past few days, alam niyo sobrang ang dami lang nangyari, so ang dami kong work na tinapos. So pagod na pagod ako pagdating dito, like sa flight pala papunta dito, almost tulog, kaya nakita niyo po katulog talaga ako, nakaidlip ako before take-off, nung palanda nakaidlip rin ako, pagod. So yesterday was really just resting, and paggising ko, guys, sobrang late na, pero, you know, I'm the type of person na when I do my vacations, I always say na work-life integration, di ba? So, if kakatapos ko rin ng mga work, and then, before I'm going to head out, gonna have lunch, and iikot talaga. I love walking around Tokyo talaga. Sometimes, you know, wala talaga akong kailangan bilhin, yung ganon. But, gusto ko lang umikot, and the weather, yun talaga eh. So, parang, ano ba siya? Cardio ko na talaga to. Pero again, bawal pa rin ako mag-overeat. I try to control it kasi hindi siya talaga pwede yon. Pero kuha muna ako coffee sa baba kasi 24 hours yung free coffee nila dito. And oh my gosh, yung mga gusto ko talaga sa mga hotel, yung mga free coffee. Guys, balik. Bumalik ako, ang lamig sa labas. So always make sure you have proper clothing. Yun lang. Guys, sobrang lamig. So, lumabas ako kanina, tapos ako white ako. Eh, walang ganito, walang hood yung... Ayun, nakita nyo. So, walang hood yun. So, sabi ko, oh my God, no. Kasi ang lamig talaga. So, my reminder for everyone, Pag wala, at saka umulan pa ngayon, so mas lumamig pa. So, always make sure na meron ka ring payo. May tissue ako lagi. As a tita. Pero yun yung gusto ko i-remind sa inyo, guys. Please make sure that you have the proper attire whenever you're traveling. Kasi, bawal magkasakit pag nagka-travel ka. Mahirap. So, yon. Okay, heading out. So, bumili ako ng mga socks. Tapos, underwear, yun yung mga kailangan. Yung socks kasi, gusto ko yung heat tech na socks. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung short while, guys. Siyempre, ganito. So, para mas warm siya sa paa nyo, just in case, kasi pupunta kami sa poro, di ba? So, sure akong malamig yun. So, yun yung parang lagi sinasabi na pag ganyan, you have to buy. Ito pala yung Uniqlo. Ito to. Very near Shinjuku Station lang siya. As in, tawid lang. As in. So, sa likod ko, ito yung Uniqlo. And then, yung likod ko, Shinjuku Station. Diba? Malapit. Okay, kakain na talaga ako. Guys, while it's a sign, feeling ko, kakain na ako ng sushiro. Kasi mukhang sign na ito dapat ang itry ko. And marami sa inyo nasabi na dapat ito itry ko yung sushiro. So, I'm gonna go down to try sushiro. Here it is. We're gonna try. Ito ang sushiro. We got our seats, guys. And ito yung number niya, 21. Which is the number here. And then ordering mo is all through done through this TV. Nandito lahat yan. Your pickled ginger, wasabi, soy sauce. Mas maganda nga ito kaysa sa dun sa yung nakinain yung kara. So you can order and then rolls, nigiri, and then marami ka pwede i-select as well. Ganon, o diba? Ang dami. So just select whatever you guys want. Like salmon with cheese. Alam niyo talaga gusto ko yung mga cheese, no guys? Let's try this one first. So guys, ito mas less yung rice niya. Guys, itong may basil to, na cheese, na aburi. Oh my gosh, salmon. Ang sarap, grabe. Kakaiba. Masarap. So, I think parang mas masarap pa to talaga kaysa dun sa kura. Ay, lagi sinasabi sa akin eh, ito. So, trinay ko na, masarap. Sabi nila, it's the #1 sushi place in Japan. Okay guys, so magdi-dinner ako sa Kushiyaki kasi nandito yung friend ko. It's Kushiyaki Meat Man. So, buti na lang lagi ako gumagala. So, pag gumagala ka guys, malalaman mo, okay, mag-recharge muna ako ng aking Suica card, pero gusto ko may credit card. Shibuya guys. O, diba? Don't you love this? No, it's the other one. Ito pala siya. Ayan na siya. So, hanap ko ang friends ko. This is it.
Yes. Break it. There you go. More.
No, yeah, like really get into it.
Ayan.
Okay, that's good.
Okay. Can already.
Ito na masarap na beef.
Yes.
Ang lambot.
Medyo wild, right?
It's so good. Guys, so this was Shinjuku. And pauwi na ako now. Ito yung grocery, yung may Godzilla. 'Di ba? Ito yon. And then, if you're going to go here, diretso, you'll see citadines na there. So that's a tip here na pwede nyo gawin. So kanina, pumunta kami sa isang beer place to have some drinks. And then we had the Meat Man. Masarap. So thanks Nico, thanks Jay at saka Aryan for bringing me there. Kasi in fairness, masarap siya. As in, sabi niya, Jax, parang pinuntahan mo sa Tokyo, mga food ba? I am a big foodie then. Yes. So para at least when you're here, meron kayong mga pwede nyo puntahan. It's good rin. I do have some of those mga tips na pwede ko ilagay doon na just gilid, tapos makikita nyo naman siya. So, now walking back to my hotel. Hindi siya malayo, I'm sure. Ito na siya. Ang lapit niya. I love it. Guys, I love it. So, I think the best way, labas ka from Shinjuku Station, ito yung steps. Rather than yung isang kinuha ko. Pero this one, medyo madadaanan mo yung mga red light district. Pero tingnan nyo, ito na siya. Citadines na. Ganda lang! Morning guys. I'm back in Shibuya. And I wanna eat in this like chicken, torikatsu chicken. Torikatsu chicken, yan siya. Guys, from this corner, ang kailangan mo is papasok ka dito. And then, tatagos ka here. Yan. Boosh. So, or from there ka, dadaan. Or, maybe from here. Guys, may way dito. Maliit na eskinita siya, ha? Then, eto siya. Ito yung way. Medyo masikip talaga. Mga 12 lang ata ka siya sa loob. But, carry naman. Like, it's good. Pero yun nga lang, kailangan mo i-make sure na syempre I wanted to be polite din. So, hindi ako masyadong naka-video. And you cannot video them cooking as well. So, yun lang, be very mindful when you're in Japan din. Kasi paminsan, pag hindi ina-allow talaga, bawal. Alam niyo. So, be polite. Yun lang. So, guys, I wanna try this cafe. So, ayan, naglalakad na tayo. We have merch. And may coffee beans din siya. Tapos pala, uwian ko si JP. Try natin. Kung masarap, uwian ko si JP na mga ganyan. And then you have cakes as well. Sobrang cute, di ba? Guys, saya ng area na to kasi parang ang tahimik lang, oh. Tapos naglalakad lang ako dito. Saya. Ito na naman yung sabihin nyo si Jax, naglalakad na naman. Oo talaga, may hindi ako maglakad. Like, favorite ko, naglalakad, so walang ginagawa. Yan. Tapos ang tahimik. As in. Kasi rin Monday. Pero, for me, that's what traveling is about. Getting lost, walking, finding new gems. Then, basta meron ko naman data at Google Map, hindi ka talaga mawawala forever. So, yun yung masaya. Ang ganda ng panahon. Don't forget mag-lotion kasi drying sa skin to, guys. Lang. Gosh, tingnan mo itong Sakura stage na building. Ganda. And there's so many other areas here. Pag Shibuya talaga, alam mong maganda yung mga architecture. At even those, I'm pretty sure office in our hotel, ganda. Ganda. I think Ang ganda dito. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh guys, ayun yung Dunkin Donuts. Matcha-try na natin siya. Kasi ang daming tao lagi. Guys, eto na. Let us try the donuts. Kasi sabi daw, masarap yung donut, diba? So, let's try it out. I got 2 donuts. Yung Pondering is their most famous. Parang it's a typical mochi donut ng Mr. Donut. So, very chewy. Matamis. Matamis siya. Pero, it's good. Sige, napag ko muna siya dito. I got the ano naman. The Pierre Marcolini Miss Dough. It's a special donut nila and it's a heart. Masarap naman pero matamis. But it's quality donuts naman guys ha. May free coffee sa baba. Okay naman siya guys. Like ito, diba? This one. Natatamisan lang ako, pero kasi ako naman to. Pero nakita niyo guys, oh. Sorry. Nag-email ngayon, may seat sale daw. Sakto mag-shoot ako ng content about seat sale kasi may nagtanong sa akin about seat sale. Anyways, yun muna siya. You can try guys, pero I think best have it with somebody para hindi siya madami.